Hi everyone! Everything I'm going to explain today comes from technicians at this appliance repair shop who have a lot of experience. So relax, we're going to get this issue sorted out. Now getting into it, something we hear very often when a customer brings in this problem is that the refrigerator was working normally and suddenly PO appeared on the display. Many customers arrive worried, saying things like, "I thought my fridge was broken." But when we start checking, we almost always find that it's related to a power interruption. In fact, many repair technicians mention that the PO code basically stands for power outage, meaning the refrigerator detected that it lost electricity at some point. Often, customers will say things like, "There was a blackout in the house last night," or "the power went out for a few seconds," and that's usually why the message appeared. As one of our shop technicians explains, the fridge isn't failing, it's just letting you know that it lost power at some point. We've also seen that the message can appear even if the power outage was very short. In some cases, customers didn't even notice the electricity went out, but the fridge recorded it. In the repair shop, customers have commented, "Everything was still working fine, but the PO stayed on the display." This happens because the system wants you to acknowledge that you saw the alert. Besides outages, another situation we often see in the shop is when the fridge gets accidentally unplugged. This can happen when someone moves it to clean behind it, when the kitchen is being reorganized, or even if the plug is a little loose. More than one customer has told us, "I moved the fridge to sweep, and when I plugged it back in, the code appeared." When we check these cases, we also look at the plug and outlet because if the connection isn't solid, the fridge can detect small power interruptions. Some technicians at the shop mention that worn outlets or loose wiring can cause these micro outages, which make the system log the PO alert. We also always explain to customers that this message usually doesn't mean the fridge is damaged. In fact, many times the solution is as simple as acknowledging the alert from the panel. Technical manuals often indicate that pressing a button is enough to clear the message and return the fridge to its normal temperature display. However, in some rare cases, we've seen the message appear repeatedly even when there weren't any power outages. When that happens, we usually check the electronic control board or the system that monitors power, because it could be detecting the supply incorrectly.